Just now here, from the greatest and the smallest 8-digit number using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Using these digits, so we have to write greater and smaller number, smallest number using these digits. And also, so write the numeral both the systems. We have to write the names of the greater and smaller number in both the systems. First, we have to write smallest number. Smallest number, 8-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. How to write smallest number? First, we have to arrange a greater number here, and less than this, and less than this, and after that less than this is 5, and less than this is 4, and less than this is 3. And after that here 0 is there. First, we have to take second smallest number and 0. In this way, we have to arrange smallest number, 8-digit number. Then we have to write Indian system as well as international system. First, Indian system. How to write? First, commas. After 3 digits, after 2 digits, after 2 digits. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is 2 crore. 2 crore, 3 lakhs, 45,000, 45,000, 700, 89, 89, 2 crore, 3 lakhs, 45,789. This is in Indian system. Now in international system. Then how to write in international system? So after 3 we have to keep comma. Then number 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. After 3 digits we keep a comma. Then after 3 digits we keep a comma. This is in millions period. This is in thousands period. This is in ones period. Then how to read? 20,345,789. 789. 20 million. 20 million 45,000 789. 80. In this way we have to write. So smallest number in both the systems, Indian system as well as international system. Now we have to write greater number. Then how to write greater number using the digits? First we have to write in descending order, decreasing order. First take greater 9, then 8, then 7, then 5, then 4, then 3. Now you take 2 and 0. This is the greatest number we can form. Greatest number we can form using the digits. We have to arrange this in descending order. Now in Indian system, after 2 digits, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That is Indian system. Nine crore, 87 lakhs, 87 lakh, 54,000, 54,320. 320. In this way we have to write this greater number in Indian system. Now international system. Now international system. So here, so take the number 98754320. After 3, after 3. This is million place, this is thousands place. Now 98 million $98 754,700 754,320. This is in ones place, ones period. 320. So using these digits, given digits, first we have to arrange a smaller number, and that number we have to write in Indian system as well as international system. Again, greater number we have to form a greater number. How to form greater number we explained here. So in this way we have to form a greater number in descending order, decreasing order. And after that we have to write this in Indian system as well as international system. Now, second question. Find the sum of the place value of trees. Trees place values we have to find the place values of trees. So first, how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is in ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. First 3. This 3 is in 10 lakhs place. First 3 place value. 3 is in 10 lakhs place, that is 30 lakhs. 30 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now, second 3. Second 3 place value. Second 3 is in thousands place, that is 3000. 3000. Then third 3 is in tens place. Third 3 place value, that is in tens place, that is 30. Then fourth 3 place value. Fourth 3 is in ones place, that is like this. Now we have to find the sum of all these trees. First listen. Here question, find the sum of the place values of all the trees. First we have to check how many trees are there in the given number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 trees were given. First 3 is in 10 lakhs place, so that is 30 lakhs place value. Second 3 is in thousands place, that is 3000. Then third 3 is in tens place, that is 30. And fourth 3 is in ones place, that is ones. Now you add all. So in this place 3, in this place 3, in this place 0, and after comma here 3, and here 0, and comma here 0, here 3. The sum is 30 lakhs 3033. 30 lakhs 3033 we will get. Okay. Now the third question, Find the difference of the place values and the face value of all fours in this. Place value and face value here. Here 1, here 2. How many fours were there? 2 fours were there. This is in ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now solution. First 4 place value. So what is first 4 place value? That is in 10 lakhs place, that is 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs. Second 4 place value. Second place value. Second 4 is in hundreds place, that is 400. Now we have to find the difference between the 4 place values of 4 fours in the given number. Now difference. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Take bar from here, it will get 10. From here, so it is 9, here get 10. And from here 10, here 9, here 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 9, and here 9, and here 9, here we will get 3. 39 lakhs, 99,000, 99,600. This is the difference between fours in given number. This is the difference between the given numbers. And now this is the place value. In the place value of fours in given number. Given number, difference between the place value of fours. Now face value. 4 face value. First 4 face value is 4 only. First 4 face value is 4. Face value is 4 only. Second 4 face value is 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. If face value is asking, face value is constant. Nothing, there is no change in face value. So that is why 0 will come. If difference we find. If we will find difference, then the answer will be the 0. If place value is there, in which case it is, we have to take according to that many zeros, and after that we have to subtract and we have to find. Okay. Yes. Now again, expanded form is given. The recapitulation. So we have to write in expanded form. First ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 4 is in 10 crores place, so that is why 40 crore. 40 crore. Then after that we have to take place. And 6 is in crores place, we have to write 6 crores. 6 crores. Then in 10 lakhs place 0 is there, no need to take that one. Then 7 is in lakhs place, 7 lakhs. Then plus 5 is in 10,000 place, so that is why 50,000. 50,000. Then plus 5 is in thousands place, that is 5,000. Then after that plus 8 is in hundreds place, 800. Then after that 3 is in tens place, 30 plus 2 is in ones place, that is 2. In this way we have to write in expanded form, keeping plus in between them. Okay. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 3 is in 10 crores place, so that is why 30 crore. 30. Then after that plus. Then 8 is in crores place, that is 8 crore. 8 crore. Now 9 is in 10 lakhs place, that is 90 lakhs. Then after that plus. Then 4 is in lakhs place, that is 4 lakhs. Then after that plus. Then 2 is in 10,000 place, that is 20,000. Then 7 is in thousands place, that is 7,000. 1 is in hundreds place, 100. 5 is in tens place, 50. 1 is in ones place, 1. In this way we have to expand. We have to expand and we have to say. Now, here, write in short form. We have to write this in short form. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First you have to take 7 places. 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places. This is crore. 70 crore means 7 in 10 crores place. Then after that 80 lakhs. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Then after that 80 lakhs. In 10,000 lakhs place 80 lakhs. Then 30,000. Here 3 will come. In 10,000 place 30,000 will come. 90. There is no 100, so leave it, and 1000 also. Not there. 9. And 1's place 2. And in the rest of the places you keep zeros. In this way you have to keep. Now, this is 1's, 10's, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 6 into 10 lakh, 60 lakhs. Means how many places we have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 into 10 lakhs, 60 lakhs. Here 60 lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then 3 into 100, 300. 100's place 3. In rest of the places, 0. So like this we have to keep. Like this we have to keep, and we have to write in short form. Short form. Now, fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. 100 millions is equal to how many crores? Before fill these blanks, first you have to write the number system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, this is in Indian system. International system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is million, 10 million. This is 100 million. Now, 100 million, 100 million. There is million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 million is equal to how many crores? 10 crores. How many crores? 10 crores. Like this you have to tell. Then 1 million, 1 million, where is million? 1 million is equal to how many lakhs? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Then 1 crore, 1 crore is equal to how many millions? 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. There are dash zeros in 30 millions. Where is the million? Here million. 30 means million, 10 million. Here it will be 30 millions. 30 millions we will get here. Here we will get 30 millions. So then how many zeros we have to keep? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will come. 30 millions. In 30 millions, 7 zeros will come. Then there are dash zeros in 5 crore. Here crore is there. In crore, how many zeros means? Rest of the places 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 7 zeros. Always read the number from dash to dash, left to right, left to right. We have to read the number from left to right. Crores, lakhs, hundreds, thousands and hundreds. In this way we have to read from left to right, left to right. Then here 8 crore 35 lakhs 67,976. Here 83,567,976. See here these two numbers, this number is attached to this number he is asking, means he is asking indirectly greater than or less than or equal to, he is asking. One is given in Indian system, other one is given in international system. In Indian system and international system, so what is the difference between Indian system and international system? Here commas there. After 3 digits comma, 2 digits and 2 digits. Every 3 digits we have a comma. So don't means confuse here. So first you have to count number of digits. Whatever it is, either it is Indian system or international system. First you count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. Now you start comparison from left to right. Here 8 is there and here 8 is there. Here 3 is there and here 3 is there. And here 5 is there, here 5 is there. Here 6 is there, here 6 is there. Here 7 is there, here 7 is there. Here 9 is there, here 9 is there. Here 7 is there, here 7 is there. Here 6 is there, here 6 is there. How the numbers are equal to? The both numbers are equal to this. This number is equal to this number. Okay. So in this format you have to tally and tell. So which number? Either it is less than, greater than, and greater or equal to. Don't confuse. One is given in Indian system, other one is given in international system. So whatever it is, you start comparing from left to right. Okay. Next, draw an arrow to match its nearest 10. Its nearest 10 we have to draw an arrow. 96. 96 nearest 10 is 100. Then after that 90 nearest 10 is 90, nearest 10 is 94. 94. And 106 nearest 10 is 110. Nearest 10 is 110. Next 120 nearest 10 is 117. 117 nearest 10 is 120. Then 135 nearest 10 is 140. Then 126 nearest 10 is 130. 1 pair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. Total 12 given. 12 means 6 pairs. So like this we have to find nearest tens. Commas are inserted in a number. Here tick a right answer, correct answer. Here for each question 4 options are given. In that 4 options, which one is correct we have to mark, tick. Commas are inserted in a number after each. When we insert commas in a number, whatever number is given, either it is in international system or in Indian system, whatever system, how should we keep commas? So place, digit, period and none of this. After every period, so thousands periods, comma, lakhs period, comma, crores period, comma, like that we have to keep commas. In international system also same. After ones period, comma, after that thousands periods, comma, after that millions period, comma. So like this we have to keep commas. After every period we keep commas. The place value and the face value of the digit are always equal when the digit is at ones place, tens place, hundreds place, it's never equal. So if the number is in ones place, so the place value and face value both are same. When if a number, whatever number, for example, this is in ones place. What is the place value? Place value is 7 in ones place. 7 ones are 7. And what is the face value? 7. Face value is 7, place value is 7. So if the number is in ones place, then only the place value and face value is same. Otherwise it won't. Okay? Thank you. Yes, now students, so enrichment activity. In this enrichment activity, we are going to learn larger number, about larger number, If numerals are given, then how to read. Then numeration in words are given, then how to write in numeration. So in your class, suppose 20, 30, 40, whatever your class strength is there, all the students, so make one strip, take one strip, prepare one strip. So with your sketch pen, write numbers on them. So larger number, either it is 8-digit number or 9-digit number. So you write a larger number. So using means numeration. In numeration, some of the students write the number in numeration, and some of the students write number name in words. So total whatever strength is there in a class, you prepare like that. So 40, 50, whatever strips you should prepare and keep it one ball. And after that, one by one after another, come and take out one strip from that ball. And if suppose one numeration will come, suppose like this. This numeration will come. Then how to read this numeration? So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now you write the numeration in words. The numerical in words. This number in words, that is 2 lakhs, 2 crore, 89 lakhs, 89 lakh, 79,000, 79,786. Like this we have to write. So if anybody will get this strip, so this numeration, so then you should write, so the numeration in word, numerical in word, number in words, words in number. If another student, say if we take one strip, if we get the numeration in words, so he should write the number name into the number. Okay, so this is the procedure how to write. So how to write numerical into words, words into numerical. So all the students, this is the class activity. All you should prepare some numerations in words and numerical into words and words into numerical. It means some of the students in the class, some of the students, you should prepare a strip, you should write a number in one strip, and some of the students, so write number name on strip, and all students keep that both type of the numerations and number in words in the ball, and one after another take out the strips, and whatever it will come, if number will come, so that number you have to write in words on the board. If number name, if you get number name on the strip, then you have to write number on the board. Okay, so this is your class activity. So from these activity, so you know how to write a number in name, number name, and number name. If you get number name, then you know how to write number. Okay.